Thanks for tuning in. Cooking with CanCooker. I'm your host, Seth McGinn. Today, we're making burgers in under 10 minutes. Regularly, you do it on a grill. Today, it's windy out. So we did it, broke out the conversion grill, made some awesome Angus burgers. Let's get started. We're gonna season up our burgers. I like a little soy, some Worcestershire, say that 3 times fast, and some onion pepper. Let that sit a minute. We're gonna do it on the conversion grill on our multi-fuel burner. Handy little tool, lift it off. We're gonna add some water here. It's gonna make clean up a snap. So just add a little water right in the drip pan. So all our grease drippings will go into that. The water will make it easy to clean up, keep it moist. Not too much, just enough in there so it doesn't bake on. Put the grill back on, let it heat up a second, and then we'll throw these bad dogs on there. You know you're cooking when you hear that sound, right? We'll add a little more right on top. Some soy, a little Worcestershire, and then, of course, a little onion pepper. The nice thing with this grill, you don't have to lug a big grill around, charcoal, turn it on, you see we're about instantly ready to cook. Give these a minute, flip them. I don't know if you guys could hear that sizzle, but So the nice thing about this conversion grill, where we put the liquid in the outside, all your flame is in the middle. There's a diffuser, so you get no flare-ups from your grease. All your drippings dripping back off in there. So I think we're about ready to flip them over here. And you can turn it down, but we're trying to get these done quick, easy, convenient. Show you how simple and easy this is. Look at that. We'll grab some cheese. We'll plate these guys up. And for this great recipe and more, make sure and check out CanCooker.com.